boys, candidate number 10 sa boys. Best in question and answer. So, Mr. Japan. Okay, congratulations. To give the award, may we request Mr. Paelmo to do the honor, please? For best in question for the girls, candidate number 4. Candidate number 4 for the girls, Miss Philippines. May we call on Miss Grace Pereira to please pin the sash or to give the award. Sila po ang ating best in question and answer. Best in national costume. May paputok pa ha, may fireworks. National costume for the male category, boys. Male na, boys pa. Candidate number 2. National costume, male. Okay, Mr. Philippines. Okay. So, si Mr. Philippines, excited? Excited lang po. Kayo naman, nagugulat sa inyo eh. To pin the sash, may we request Sister Grace, please do the honor and we pin the sash for our best in national costume. Siyempre, no, love your own. Philippines tayo, ayan. For the female category, best in national costume, candidate number 8. Candidate number 8 is candidate Miss Korea. So Mr. Paelmo will put this up. Darling of the crowd for the boys, or for the male category, candidate number 2. Darling of the crowd, candidate number 2. So si Mr. Philippines pa rin ba? Opo. Am I correct? Still Mr. Philippines is also the darling of the crowd. And among the girls, our darling of the crowd is also the one who received the national costume, the best in national costume. Candidate number 8. Miss Korea. Buhok na buhok pa lamang. Ayan. So, sila po ang ating best in national costume and they are also the darling of the crowd. Okay, congratulations. So, let's proceed to the major awards. Third runner-up. Kapag sasabayin na natin ha, ang boy po, third runner-up, boy, candidate number 4. Third runner-up, candidate number 4. Si Mr. Inja. At sa mga babae naman po, ang third runner-up is candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. Yan. Third runner-up. Candidate number 2. Si Miss, ano ba yan? Korea din? Miss Korea din? Second runner-up, so thank you po and congratulations. Second runner-up, boy, sa male category, candidate number 8. Sa mga lalaki po, candidate number 8, Mr. po sa babae, candidate number 11. Second runner-up, candidate number 11, Miss Thailand. Ayan, nakasilaw ang kanyang kasuotan. Di abot. Lalaki po, candidate number 10, si Mr. Japan, first runner-up. And sa babae po, ang first runner-up is candidate number 8. Candidate number 8, first runner-up. Sino kaya ang nanalo sa mga lumulubog na ang araw.
For our little Mr. Uno, goes to candidate number 2. Hinanilaan po namin ang ating president, si Mr. Liwanag, at ang ating principal, si Mama Takdaran, para silang magbigay ng trophy at magsagit ng sabi sa mga winners. Mr. Liwanag, para sa little Mr. Uno, candidate number 2. And for little Miss Uno, sino kaya? Ang nagbagayo para sa ating little Miss Uno ay candidate number 4. Nations 2008. Okay, just stay there, candidates. Okay, stay there lang kayo. And now, for our closing remarks, I would like to call on our academic coordinator, Mr. Joselito B. Paelmo. Palakpakan po natin siya. Muli ay magandang gabi na po sa kanilang lahat. At maraming salamat sa pakikisa natin sa pagdiriwang ng United Nations Team. At katulad nga ng tema, isang mundo, isang pag-ibig, kakaisang bansa. Sana tayo, regardless of our lahi at saka